Asikhulume iqiniso. Akuthina sonke esithanda ama-good leaders ne-good leadership. Noma ngabe masikhuluma sonke ungasithola sengathi sonke we are committed to good leaders and good leadership. Abanye bethu bayabenefita kwi-chaos elethwa ama-leaders are-incompetent, are-corrupt, na-immoral. Why ngikubona kusemqoka ukuthi sikhulume lento futhi siyipay attention kuyona? Ingoba labo bantu abeve be-influential. Labantu laba bathanda ama-leaders are-incompetent. Because isikhathi esiningi abantu abanamandla athize already in a form of imali or in a form of political alliances. They don't want a good leader. Even in a workspace, they will not like a good manager, because a good manager will always make sure when it's time to work, people work. When it's time to monitor performance, the good leader will definitely manage performance. When it's time to speak about poor performance, a good manager will talk about poor performance. When it's time for people to account for resources, a good leader will make sure that people account for each and every cent. That's why ama-good leaders engathandwa. And that's why ama-good leaders ayohleze ephoqwa ukulandela abantu aba-immoral, aba-incompetent, abangenama-values. Because somebody influential unama-benefits awatholayo when an incompetent, immoral, bad leader is creating chaos. Kukhona abethu ababenefitayo from chaos. So ukuletha good leader will stop that chaos in that way. Nama benefits abo beseyama. Ngiyakubona lokho kakhulu bafowethu futhi kade ngangubona ukuthi kuyinto ekhona. Nina ke bafowethu enibelevela ama good leaders. You must learn to fight for good leaders to take space. That's why we people's mandate kune point I think it's point 6 mangikhumbula kahle ethi claiming our spaces. We must claim the space ngoba if we don't do that, siyoqhubeka siyokhuphayo ama-bad leaders afakwa abantu aba-benefitayo from chaos ushered in by the bad leaders. Ngithi angikusho ke lokho ngoba abantu nje i-nature of politics yabo uma ungathatha bakushoyo, you'll think they are good people with good intention, while in actual fact they are bad people with bad intention. So if unomkhuba u-appoint abantu wazikahle ba-incompetent, abana-experience, abana-values, they get involved ey'ntweni ezi-immoral, yourself you are a bad person. Ngoba une-interest in people who are incompetent, who don't do right, and who fostered chaos, and when you actually benefit from that chaos. So uma qhamuka umuntu ezokhamba nomuntu othize, be aware ukuthi not all of us are committed to good leaders, good moral values, and competence. Some of us are literally not committed to good leadership and good leaders, and will always make sure which bad leaders, incompetent leaders with a high immorality, ibona bangena ey'khundleni zokuhola ngoba we always benefit from the chaos. So ke ngoba olalela ngendlebe ulalela ngengqondo. Uma umuntu epromote umuntu othize kumbe ethi asifake umuntu othize, ubuke ukuthi yini la efihlile ayibona i-interest yakhe ukuthi lo muntu mayengena uzoyibenefita. Ngake ngakhuluma ngani nge-conscious bias and unconscious bias. So ke bantu bakithi noma blank check now. Ake sizame manje ukuscrutinize i-quality yomholi obekwayo ukuzihola. Sikhathele ukudayiswa abantu. Either culturally, politically, developmental, we need now to make sure ukuthi the quality of the leader that we are giving is proper. And first year uphiwa manje ama-leaders. Sefese ikhethele thina ngoba hayi silinyazeke kakhulu. Abaholi abazaziyo ukuthi abanaso isimilo, abanawo amakhono, kumbe abanazo inhloso ezinhle, abaqonde embhantshi kujiya, bayohleze beyikaka ngabantu abafana nabo. Ngoba labo bantu nabo abanasimilo, abanamakhono, futhi abanenhloso ezinhle abangayisebenzisa ukugxeka ukuyiphatha komholi. Ngakho mawufuna ukumqondisisa kahle umholi, obuka bamkakile ngoba bachaza yena ngqo lo okakiweyo. Ngakho kuya phambili ma-Afrika kuwumsebenzi wethu uqinisekisa ukuthi othi ufuna ukusihola siyamxilonga ngokwanele ukubona ukuthi kumfanele ukusihola. Ngoba masingakwenzi lokho siyobe sikhanda uchungechunge ley'nkinga imhumeko isibekana yodwa.